Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video in this channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Twitter account very easily, and just follow my step-by-step process. And this is very easy and simple. First of all, go to your Twitter account, and now you can see your profile icon on top of your left. Just click that option. Here on bottom you can see the option setting and support. Just click that option, and another option will pop up. The option is setting and privacy. Just click that option, and you can see on top your account. Just select that option, and also after that you can see the option account information. Just select that option. Now here on bottom you can see the option logout. All you have to do is select that logout option, and now also logout. And as you can see, my Twitter account has been logged out from the application. This is just an web page from the Twitter. I am not logging into any accounts. But if you want to join, just all you have to do is click login, and you may sign up from here, and also can sign up from your Google account. That is pretty easy. And this is the video. I hope this video helps you in, and I will see you on next video.